Well, this is the material I've got for the Drawtube. It's a piece of DOM. I believe it's 3/4 inch OD and 120 wall thickness. And I got my 4-jaw set up. And the way I'm going to index this in is I set it up. Now normally if I've got a long enough piece of stock in here, which today I don't, I cut it to 16 inches, which is going to be just a little bit long for the Drawtube, I believe. So all I'm going to do today is I'm just going to thread the internal end that holds the collet. Normally if I've got a longer piece of stock, I'll run it all the way through the headstock. I've got a spider set up on the back end, and I will dial it in with an indicator just like I do the 4-jaw on the front. And this is my setup. I've got a little Noga here that I use. And all we're doing is going to indicate her in pretty close. Just a little bit more here. Not quite that much sticking out. Well, for this Drawtube, I'm pretty happy with that. Just leave that right there. We're going to go ahead and face off the end of this here. Squared off. They say to bore that 1 inch deep to 1930 seconds, which comes out to 0.5938. Now by the print they actually say to bore it, but I would assume since they're given a 1930 seconds dimension rather than a decimal dimension, that this was probably originally just drilled out. Is what they probably did. But nonetheless, we'll go ahead and set up our boring bar. See how that's going to act. maximum depth we're going to get on cut for that. That'll work. Three. .5935. We were shooting for 5938. We'll leave it right there and go ahead and thread it. That's threaded 651.28. Right-handed V-thread. So I'm going to have to dig out a internal threading tool, and we'll get that set up, and then we'll bring it back. Well, in this video I'm skipping over the threading tool and the setup of the threading tool to bore the inside of this Drawtube. I've already done a video that shows me threading this Drawtube. I went a little more in depth with it about the tool I used, how I ground it, how I set it up, and how I actually cut these threads. So if that interests you, I'll put a link up above here someplace to that video so that you can go back and watch that. We're going to start it right there. We want a minimum 3/4 inch depth. Our bore is only 1 inch deep. So let's set all our zeros here on our digital readout. And then see what we can cut for a thread. We've already set our gearbox to 26 threads per inch. Let's double check that. 26 there. Let's see, and gearing is correct. So let's see what we can do here. Shift it into back gear. This should probably be the last pass, I'm thinking. Oh, still a little tight. Okay, I'm going to leave that right there. That's still a little bit tight, but once it's cleaned out, we get a little bit of anti-seize on there when we run it the first time or two, and that will be a nice setting. These collets aren't going to get changed that much anyway. Once they're set up for a size, we'll run quite a few parts, so this will take minimum wear and minimum fitting on it. So I think I like that fit pretty well. We'll go ahead and give us a little thread clearance at the very beginning of this, and we'll call it good. I think that's a pretty good fit there. Let's get rid of this one. And I think we'll set up our small boring bar for that. Because all we want is a minimal thread relief on the front of this. Nice. That'll work well. If we can see down inside there, I'll have to clean that up. Got a little bit of garbage in the bottom, but there's our threads. There's that part of the draw tube done. So once we get the rest of the draw tube fitted and get the spindle nose built, why then we'll go back, measure our length on this, we'll cut this off, square it up, and thread the back end for the adjustment nut. There's that end of it done. I'm really, really happy with that. That'll work well. So if you find these videos helpful, you might want to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you hit the bell notification, you'll know when I turn out a new video. And any comments or suggestions, leave them in the comment section for me below. And thanks for taking the time to watch.